Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Otoshebo Mama. Oh, so una dey fine. My people, una do well, my brothers and sisters. As una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. I appreciate una well, gidigba. Just a little message to Mama B. This message na to Mama B. Mama, this message na to you. Just a little one. Everything wey I wan talk for his side, e no mean say you go really take am. You fit pick for his side if you see the one wey good. If you see say wetin I even talk say you no like am, just throw am for dustbin, problem no dey. This one na my own opinion. Na I wan tell you. Mama, dey see something wey dey go on since then. As audio take come out, no matter say I no follow am step by step, but I still lis ten to small audio, all those one small one, because I no too get time like that. So I see the one wey you do yesterday, you bring your husband come out. Oh, the thing I say, see Mama husband, even when you bring your daughter come out sef. Some people say you no do am well, you for not bring them come out. As for me, you feel like maybe you don talk to them, they will say carry on, go ahead, make you bring am come out, problem no dey. Because you know say this social media of a thing, they will say before you talk small, they will say they wan go bring somebody wey you know say you no want make you come out for social media. Na that one na dey take dey beat person. If you talk small, they will say they wan go bring am. Since you don bring your husband now, nobody fit go tell you say I wan go bring your husband. E don still dey social media. Na wetin you like, that one na your own thing, problem no dey there. So Mama, wetin make me just come and say I wan talk to Mama B about all this saga wey dey go on. Mama, beg lawowo, please, because you don dey do video all the time now, which is e no good. That one na small children play. Mama, I come beg you, no be say na force, you understand. I see the one wey you do yesterday wey you dey call sugusugu. You say make sugusugu come, make come see your husband picture, make come take am with lolo husband, or the one wey Mama beg. All these people wey you dey call so normal kind of gbugbo they don fair do you. Even this sugusugu nye carry uwene. Two of them, I dey talk and say two of them no mairo yenye but okpare masewu. I go still stand by my words. If you say me I choose, I go choose lolo. Lolo still better pass sugusugu. E still better pass, na the truth. Not because of say maybe don't throw mouth. No, not because of that one. She better pass. Onekenona de masoe. You understand? So that sugusugu, even the one where you do the one video where I see where she can't do, whether you go send gift, go give them the time where they whole land. There, he say if friend can't tell and say may return the gift. Mama, not be everything you they believe, Trust me, because that woman or atene igbe, if you talk 10 something, talk 10, you go know say maybe na only 2 na be truth for inside. The 8 saha wa filekwa. Because now so my friend tell me, my friend na cause where they do this thing. Your friend never tell you may you from up, may you jump, may you break leg. So all these things, Mama, please and please. Now oaje a toothpick, ya pick this one na toothpick. I not say may you not follow anybody play, or may you not forgive anybody, but this saga of a thing, you don't pass this one. Try make you drop on. You don't do what you want to do. You don't play the audio way you want to play. It's enough. Just throw away everything. Just write down with your what you they do. This widow of a something say widow program where they do. As you take they advise people, that one is okay, because no can they do saga every day. Because I know saying that they draw you, because the time where you come from, who you say you know they do saga again, and you really stand there, you know what to do. But now they draw you, can they put you for inside? No, Mama, no one of them good. This one where sugusugu don't still insult you. Even the lolo don't still insult you. Abi na the one where they for Austria, where that one never insult you. Even that one go reach your mother where they not even know for all of them don't insult you. So not be now they'll come they do saints. Like as me they talk, and this one na my own. Anybody where don't throw mouth, it don't ariave. Ariave, not concern me again. Ariave. If I forgive, yes, but it cannot ariave ariku, because you go still do it tomorrow, because all these things when they do so, they go still come do it tomorrow, Mama. Wait till they not call you for this social media. ni mama ero de skata de egbete de nene de na wish de na nene. We don't hear everything, mama. Now all of them, not wetin they never call you. You feel forgive them, then move on with your life. No draw them near body. Oh, na me they tell you so. No draw anybody near body. They do your thing as a mother, as a matured woman, as a hua. Just focus on what you they do. Forget all these things. This one can't judge. This one can't do this one. Now this one good pass. No one good. No one good. But na still lolo, na still good pass more. I go still say na she still good pass more. So who we ma boy ma we. Emma boy ma we. Maybe get wetin he want for you now. You go want me draw you near body. Not draw anybody near body. Na my own that they tell you no draw. Now social media now you foresee them. Now you go still leave them put. If you see them for a good morning, good afternoon, if you feel like you don't know them before, they don't even know you before. I not say may you not forget, may you not forgive them, but there are ways. Not let anybody come near you. Oh, mama, they tell you go remember me because all this. Now this one call like pass. Mama B. Now they call you Mama B. Now they'll call tell you say you be Mama B. When they don't fair insult you, insult your enemy, even your children, even your mother, when they don't know, they don't do everything. Person when insult my mother, wa. I cool. Wa. I dey talk am. If once you don't throw your mat, person wey put no wa be male at the when now you know where you carry your mat, go there. My way gbe ko Ariana. I cool. That's why I be. I don't know as the rest people be. Once you don't throw words, go meet my own mother or waffle because I know they insult person mother. People wey don't fair insult your mother, wetin you wan use them to do? Why jinya yahoo? God forbid bad thing. Mama, please, I can't beg you. Just face your program. Face your program. You don't big pass all this one. Say in the morning you'll come out for saga. Afternoon you'll come out. Evening you'll come out. No, you don't need that at all. Don't be that one you can't do for social media. You don't talk wetin they pay you for mind. Wetin you want talk for your body. You don't vomit everything come out. It's okay. You bring your husband picture. Fine. You bring your children. Good. Everybody love her like that. Now wetin you like. Now wetin you like. Now you do. Many people not like her. Many people like her. Say, you don't free. Because sometimes when you dey inside bondage, you define the way where you want to come out. The time where you take come out, you say, thank God, I don't free. Now you do so. I see her. Now you do. It's okay like that. Because if your husband say, may you not show a picture, you not go show her. He give you, say, go ahead, do her my wife. Now you do her. Nothing when they not call you, they say your enemy not born. You're this one. Nothing. Now this social media, now we for hear everything. So we know everything. We know them. The way when they tell they do. So this one where they'll come near you now, they call you Mama. Mama B. Forget Mama. Person wey wan respect you. If they respect you before, not be now. There is something they under Mama. Be wise. Now me talk and say, before me go open my mouth, insult my senior. You know, say, if they can't judge and they will tell that senior, say, go beg that woman. I know they insult my senior. Once I know say you don't senior me like person like you now, not the way you go do me for this social media where I go come and say, me say to Mama be na today my wife do fear. No, because I know say you senior me. When you talk your age, I say this woman senior me. Never, even though say they say go see you, they insult you for there. I'll just laugh come up for that. Say if na my senior sister uncle, that's what I go do. Not the way they not use you to do for this social media. Caricature now they use you to do. Not forget. So not be now they'll come they call you Mama or no Mama. Two of them, they don't insult you. They don't beat you black and white. So, just what burning here? They do your thing. They do your thing. Not drug, go another place. Say you want drug, go this side. Not if you like, you drug, go, but you will still remember me. You will still remember me. Because on this social media, now everybody dey. The play, not they reach a month or 3 months. Everything could just still bust again. Maybe this one talks until you go pull mat. You go say, hey, it don't come again. The day zaga. We've had a year then. Is it that better? Is it there name? What did they not give you for this social media? You know, they everything they with they see I there for social media. I there everywhere. It there everywhere. Not too much carry yourself, go anybody place. Just stay your lane. Do your thing. Not gonna do video every blessed day, 2 times, 3 times. No, Mama, you don't be past that one. Make the small children, make them they do one. Wetin pay you don't talk and come out. It's enough. no come dey exchange words with small pikin. Ema na age they get the same age with your children, they be the same age with your children. You don't need that. As a mother, mama, wetin I dey tell you so. If you like am, you take am. If you no like am, just still take am, throw am for inside dustbin. Problem no dey. But we dey here, we dey watch. We dey watch. Because all these people, even the time when you go this party of the one wey dem do for London, not be where you for where you be where you be one greet Destiny pikin. When the pikin people know say the pikin don dey weak, he wan sleep, he can't do hand like this. Now not be people cut am, then even they cut am, they even they talk am, they go say even the pikin even run for you. Mama beg, lawo, please. Please, make you dey watch your back, watch your front. Not be everybody wey just dey say mama, hey, now dem wan call you mama. Before they call you different name. Different name na dem dey call you. Wetin they never do you, they don draw your leg. Okay, person wey don insult your mother finish now, you can't draw am near body. Which respect you can't dey give your mother? As for me, because I know say you love your mother well. Not be here that they curse her every morning, afternoon, evening. They do live video till they insult the old woman wey they never see for eye. Now now social media for here. You whether you do them something or you not do them something, they will just leave you. They go they curse your own mother. So mama, be careful, Be very, very careful. Don't let anybody come they tell you say we don't forgive you, we don't love you, can't join our this thing, can't do this one. If you say you want go join, problem not they not join anybody. That one me can't tell you. Not join anybody. Both of them, they don't insult you. If you want forgive them and then they go. Let's go. Mona go now. Mona go stay on a lane. I go stay my lane. The best, because person wey don't fair insult you, tomorrow you go still get that might come insult you again. He go come still on the ray. He go come insult you again. Or we can make benema well. I'll still beat them again. Now so they be for this social media. You will play today. Next tomorrow na fights. You say they not be friends before. I be say they don't settle. Now we dey see everything, mama. And this social media now you still dey. So I beg, mama, just stand, make you just do your widow program. Before now August now one finish. So September, October, November, December, 4 months now remain make Christmas come. So make you come start to do your widow program. Forget about Saga. Forget about all these people. You don't need them. They don't need you. They know they feed you. You know they feed them. You they work. You they put your money for inside pocket. So forget all this social media of a thing. They come out, they do live video 2-3 times a day. Then they talk the same thing. No, mama, you know, I beg. You don't big past this one. I dey respect you as my own senior sister. Yes. I dey respect you like that. Because when you talk your age, I said you not be small pikin. So please, mama, respect yourself. Put that respect for yourself. Bond them. Throw away them for one corner. Waiting they pay you. You don't throw away everything. It's enough. It's enough because all these people wait up this tomorrow they'll still come out. They can't insult you again. They'll still come out, can't insult you. Since you don't talk everything, let her die like that. Finish. As Italo say finito. He say don't carry stone, put her under. Put her up. Finish for them. Chapter close. Everybody go away. That's why I see our mama now so me I see my own. Now small advice I can't give you. If you like her, take for your side. If you don't just like her at all, say maybe you want to continue like that. Just carry her, throw her. Probably no day. We still there here with the watch. With the watch. You don't need to forgive. They know who want forgive you. Say I forgive you. The one where they do you call. I forgive you. Waiting be forgive you do me, I do you. That's why it be for social media. Not be here with the way they carry your name go native doctor. Not be confession. We not see her. So mama, please. I beg you in the name of God. Just forget everything. Stay your own. They do your thing. Now me can't tell you. This saga, you don't need that at all. You don't need that. Many things they happen for life. They bring and come and make people they learn. Come they do your program. who wan start to dey say dem wan dey give small small money for widow now, make dem start to dey do am now. 50 name this one, before you know December go dey here now. Na true I dey tell you, mama, because I dey see your widow program for there. 4 months to Christmas. If you no do am now, before you know, saga, you come say na December we dey now, you come forget all those program wey you wan do. Which time you wan come say do am? So na my own opinion na be this one. Na my own message to you na be this one. Please, mama, forget saga, face your business, face your life, face your family and your job. One love keep us together. Bye bye, Mama B. One love.